Don't scroll, especially if you're looking for a great vacation home, an amazing investment property, and yes, I speak Francais, Darija, Espanol, and English. Let me show you why this condo is a total gem no matter where you're from. This fully furnished 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo is spacious, bright, and perfect for your personal stay or for your rental income. With a comfortable primary suite and a layout that gives privacy, this condo is perfect for families, travelers, and investors. You're just 10 minutes from Disney parks, 20 minutes from Universal and SeaWorld, and the condo sits right behind the Orlando outlet stores. Talk about convenience. Guests love the free shuttle to Universal, SeaWorld, and Disney. This is great for occupancy and rental demand. You get 2 resorts pool, 24 hours fitness center, a full spa, an on-site restaurant, a Pizza Hut, a gaming room, a conference room, and even a concession store. And if you're new here, my name is Muna Hilali, Central Florida Realtor, and if you want more information about this beautiful condo, DM me.